uNciza ulandise ikhomishana kaMadlanga mayelana nalokho akuchaze njengezinto ezishaqisayo ezazenzeka emaphoyiseni e-EMPD ngaphansi kohlaka lukaBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi olwabikwa kuye ngezinsolo zobugebengu esihlanganisa ukubulala nokwebiwa kwezintambo zekhopha.
I received a lot of information about the cases that were dealt with, issues of copper theft, issues of even a murder, extortion. There's a number of issues that they briefed me about regarding these individuals.
Ikhomishana izwe mayelana ngokubhaliswa kwezimoto zikasomabhizinisi osolwa ngezinsolo zobugebengu uVusimuzi Khethi Mahlala ngaphansi kukamasipala waseKuruleni kungalandelwanga imigudu efanele nesivumelwano esingekho emthethweni sokusebenzisana nenkampani kaMahlala iCat Security nokwesivumelwano uNciza athi sacikicwa ezinsukwini ezimbili ngaphambi kokuthi uBrigadier Mkhwanazi aqokwe njengebamba lephini lenhloko yamaphoyisa.
I am aware that Brigadier Mkhwanazi was then appointed on the 15th of October 2021 to act as the Deputy Chief of Police Operations. So this purportedly was signed 2 days before he acted in the position. And it's a funny coincidence. He gets appointed to act on the 15th, and then on the 16th he issues a letter that there is a relationship.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.